Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Power BI projects tutorial. Today we will be analyzing financial dataset and we are going to end up creating a dashboard like this after the tutorial. So without delaying, let's get started. So first import our dataset, which is an Excel file, financial sample, and then select financials from this navigator and click transform data, and Power Query editor has been opened. Now we see here if any changes are needed, like data cleaning or data preprocessing, this kind of task. So here uh, no changes are needed, so we'll simply click on close and apply, and our data will be loaded here in this data pane. Okay, so after loading has been done, then now we'll create some measure. Okay, so here our first we'll write here some dex function. So our first measure name will be total profit or total sales, and which will be the sum of the sales of financial tables. Okay, and now we'll create another measure. So click on new measure and here name this new measure as total margin. So which will be the sum of uh, like the sum of profit. Okay, financial profit. Okay, and we'll create another measure. This will be the profit percentage. The formula for profit percentage, to determine the profit percentage, the formula is total margin divided by total uh, total COGS. Okay, so for this, first we need to determine our total cost of goods sales. Okay, so we need to determine total. So we'll create new measure named total COGS. COGS means cost of goods sales. That means the cost uh, to buy of each product. Okay, so we to determine total COGS, we need to sum uh, the financial COGS. Okay, so and our next measure is gonna profit percentage. The percentage of profit. The formula is total margin divided by total COGS. That means total profit. Okay, divided by total cost. Total cost. Okay, so this is the formula, and uh, since this is the percentage, so here we will click on this percentage sign, and so this will automatically convert it into percentage. Okay, and our last measure is going to we are going to create average order, determining average order. So the formula for average order is total sales divided by the number of total row, or the number of total it says product, or okay, the data. So 700. So this is the average order. Okay, now we need to convert them into like since these are the order, so we need to convert them these dollar signs. Okay, the formatting, we need to change this formatting, and here we need to put, we need to change this from auto to, like, to keep after point, uh, like let's say two digit. So we need to keep two digit after the point. Okay, of this fraction. Okay, so here change the same formatting, apply the same formatting for all these other measures. Dollar margin, same for dollar, and here also dollar. Okay, so now okay, so now let's get back to our data pane. This. So now let's start creating visualizations. Our first visualization is going to total sales by country. Okay, so for this I'll select a column chart, and here I'm going to put country in x-axis and total sales in y-axis. Okay, so this is our uh, required visualizations. Or so from here we see that United States of America has the total sales, and then Canada, and then France, and the following by others. Okay, so here, here our next visualization is going to total sales by segment. Okay, so we are going to create or analyze the total sales by segment. For this, I will use a pie chart. Here, I'll use total sales in say values and segment in legend. Okay, so is that simple? Okay, so here we have analyzed our total sales by segment. So here we see that government portion has the maximum or highest sales, and then small business, and then enterprise, and following by others. Okay, so our next task is going to determine total sales by discount band. So for this I will use a donut chart. Here total sales by discount band. So here I will put discount band uh, to here I'll put discount band to legend, and total sales to values. Okay, so here, and so this is our total sales by discount band visualization. Here we see that the medium discount band has the highest sales. Okay, when the discount band is medium, and second highest is when discount band is high, and then low, and following by others. Okay, so this is the outcome we have gained from this total sales by discount band visualization. And now here our next task is going to uh, determine, or uh, so here our next task is going to visualize total sales by product. So for this I'll use a bar chart. Here I'll put total sales into x-axis, and products into y-axis. Okay, so this is our total sales by product. So from this visualization we can analyze that peso is has the maximum sales, and VTT in second highest sales has VTT, and then following by others. So this is the outcome we can achieve from this visualization. Okay, now we'll use a multi-row card to show some statistical values. Okay, So here we'll show some statistical values, like we have created already the measures, so we'll show measures here, like our, let's import our total sales first, and then total COGS, cost of goods sales, and then total margin, and then profit percent, and then average order. So this is our multi-row card where we show our some statistical important necessary statistical values for analyzing this dashboard. Okay, so okay, okay. Now now we'll use some slicers, like here we'll use like country. Our first slicer is going to be a country, and then our second slicer is going to be like the product, and our next slicer is going to be like date, and then our next slicer uh, is going to be the discount band, and our last slicer is going to be segment. Okay, so the last slicer is going to be segment. Okay, so this is our, these are the our slicers that will make this dashboard more dynamic or and more responsive. Okay, so I will change these slicers into like this drop down list. Okay, okay, okay. Here, um, okay. So now here okay. So now here I will transform these slicers into drop down list. So here I'll go to format tab, and I will change the style to drop down list. Okay, here I will put this date slicers here, the last position, and I'll reduce the size a little bit, and then I'll put this segment here, and I'll keep this discount band here and this product here. Okay, let's resize them all, and then I'll keep count country slicers here. Okay, here so this is we have almost done this dashboard. Okay, so we have already obtained the our goal. Okay, like we have already created a dashboard like this one almost. So we have left only the designing part, so we'll do now the designing part. Okay, so this is without designing part, so this is our final dashboard that we have analyzed final that we get after analyzing financial data set. Okay, so Now we'll perform designing part. So let's first insert uh, text box here, and I will write here financial report, financial report, and I will increase the size to let's say 36 and 36. Okay. Okay. Uh, now I will import uh, image. Okay. So I'll import this image. Let's say this image. Okay. And resize it and keep it this position in this position. Okay. Now. Okay. So now I will change a little bit to look it the dashboard more attractive. I'll change in these visualizations. Okay. So here I'll first of all I'll uh, change the alignment of this title to center, and here I'll use background color black and the text color white, and I'll increase the text size. Okay, not there, not much big. Okay, so well 19, and I want to change the apply these changes to all other visualizations. So all of them, and then I'll uh, okay, I know I cannot, I have no right to change the visualization altogether. Okay, so here I'll change the this total sales by segment visualization is title. Okay, horizontal alignment, and then I'll select black background and then text color white, and I'll increase the size to 19, and similarly this one. Okay, background color black and text color white. Okay, also I want to change this one, so increase background color black and text color white, increase the size to 19. Okay. uh, okay, okay. Here, all right, here now we'll use a straight line. So go to shape and click this straight line, select this straight line, and so here we'll change the style, color, and the border color to black, and okay, and increase the size like width. Let's give it 2 pixel, and we'll use another straight line, and I will change the rotation. I'll give it 90 degree. Okay. Okay, here I'll use this as this vertical line. Okay, Okay. Mm, okay, now it is looking good. So now we have ultimately complete our report, and we have done an analysis the dataset financials, and after analyzing the dataset we have um, represent our analysis output by these visualizations graphs like this column chart, pie chart, and bar chart. So uh, to give a summary of this to this tutorial, we can say that first of all, after analyzing financials data set, we have created 4 to 5 measures to get the statistical values like total sales, total cost of goods sales, and total profit percent, and average order. Okay, so we have determined them by creating new measures and showed them in multi-row cart, and then we have used total sales features. Then we use this by using these features, we created a visualizations that shows the total sales by country. Okay, so from this visualization we can easily say that the highest sale has the United States of America has the highest sales. Okay, so this, then Canada, and then France. So we can rank the country by total sales, yeah, using this like analysis after and these visualizations. Okay, and then total we can next we can we can show total sales by discount band by using this discount band feature. uh, so here we see that the when the discount band is medium, then the sales is maximum. And in total sales segment, product segment, so here we see that the government segment has the highest sales, and then small business, and then enterprise. So the government, uh, here the rank of the government is number one. Okay, and then we can see after the analyzing the product by total sales. Okay, total sales by product, peso has the this is the product that sells most. Okay, so and we can use these slicers to make this dashboard more responsive. Okay, like if we select here that we want to see the data for Canada, okay, this country, so we can use this slicer, and also we can use other slicers altogether, like you want to see the this product sales in Canada. Okay, and we can use other slicers, and we can also use these date slicers. Okay, okay, and so that's all for today, guys. Hope you like this tutorial. uh, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Assalamu alaikum.